Hi and good morning everyone and happy Thanksgiving. This Thanksgiving morning I am going to show you for the first time actually, the first time I am baking turkey. So I'm really going to need a lot of help with that. I've already gotten it started this morning. I woke up in the morning early like at around 5 a.m. to get it started. And it thought out starting yesterday at 1 p.m. So that's what a typical mom would do on a Thanksgiving morning. At least I know that from experience with my mother-in-law. She wakes up early in the morning and get the turkey started and the stuffing and everything. So we'll show you how I would do that, how I do that for the first time trying to bake turkey on Thanksgiving Day. And at the same time, I'm also going to show you how a typical Thanksgiving look like in the United States. Please keep in tune with us and we'll show you more. Happy Thanksgiving again. Have fun and bless everyone.
So this is my first attempt to roast or bake a turkey. And my brother threw away the packaging that came with it, so I don't even know what the weight is. And if there's a recipe, I don't even know what to do. And I've been fighting with this thing here. It's a plastic. I guess it's a handle that they put on here so that you can pick it up easily. I don't know how to remove it. And this has been thawing since yesterday, and it's still kind of cold right now. And I think it's still a little frozen, but it's almost there, but I think it's fine. So this is really strange because I can't remove this plastic. I've been trying to figure it out. Let's see. Let me try it again. I don't know if maybe I just have to cut it. Let me see if I can get a scissors to cut it. I thought it would be easy, but it's really taken me a long time. Oops. Oh, that's not gonna work. I cut it, but there's still this thing at the bottom. How do I do this? Let me see. Let me try it again. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Oh, it's in between the bone. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Ow. Oh, there you go. There you go. I got it out. What's next? Okay, that's the first step, I guess. I'd have to do that first before I can finally do the rest. Let's see what happens next. Then I gotta read the recipe so I can get this done. Alright, let's see. I've removed the water from it. I got it washed a little bit. There's this little butt hanging on top of it. And then let me see what's inside. It's still a little frozen inside, but there's this hard thing that I don't know if it's ice or what, but it seems like I could get it out. It's inside right there. Let me see if I can get it out. I don't know what it is. It's different from a chicken, of course. It's a turkey we're talking about. Oh, there you go. It came out. I think I've seen this before. My mother-in-law always makes the turkey for us, so this is the first time I'm doing this. I think I've seen this before and she also cooked it, but now I'm not sure if I have to remove it or put the stuffing in with it or if there's anything else I have to remove. But it seems like it's clean inside. Again, the packaging was thrown away by my brother, so I don't know. I'm just gonna Google it, I guess, to see what I could do with it. But I think I'm not gonna put stuffing inside. That's my plan. I'm gonna do a stuffing muffin that I saw on the internet. So I guess I'm just gonna have to throw this away. It looks like it's an inside bone, or maybe there's meat in it. So maybe I'll just bake it separately as well, include it in the packaging, or in cook it as well. So I don't want to throw it away and waste it. So we'll see what happens next. So the next step now is I'm gonna be adding some salt, and the internet says um, spread some salt on it, but I'm gonna be using Himalayan salt, Himalayan pink crystal salts. I'm also gonna do ground black pepper, and I found celery salt in my cabinet, so I'm gonna go ahead and use celery salt as well. And hopefully, it's not gonna be too salty. Again, it's the first time I'm doing this, so just going by what I think, the same thing that I do when I do chicken. And then I was told that this little red thing here, you don't remove that, and I almost did, but I remembered my mother-in-law says you don't remove that because it's supposed to raise up. Once the turkey is fully cooked, then it's a gauge that the turkey is fully cooked. On the internet, it says your temperature should be 325 degrees, so that's what I'm doing. The oven is set up now to heat up at 325 degrees, and again, my brother threw away the packaging that came with this turkey, so I don't know how much this weighs. So what I did was I put it in my weighing scale, and it did show that it's 12.5 pounds. So it's probably 12 because it's wet right when I did that, and it's still kind of a little bit frozen, but I think it's okay. So it's 12 pounds. So the internet said that for 12 pounds, you should bake it for between 2.5 hours to 3 hours. So that's what we're going to do. So that's my next step is to do this with the chicken, not chicken, why am I? Okay, so my oven is now set to 325, but we're still going to go ahead and finish this up. That alarm says it's 325 degrees now. So let's do this. This is the pink Himalayan salt. And I probably should spread it inside as well. And then I'll do some celery salt. Oh, it's actually black pepper. Ground black pepper right here. I should probably do that inside as well. And then I've got celery salt. Oh, that's a lot. I think I might have put a lot of celery salt. Some for the inside. Yep. And let's see what happens next. And after this, I'm going to put this in the oven, set up at 325 degrees right now. And now that I'm done rubbing it with salt and pepper, I'm going to go ahead and transfer this over to the bakeware that I'm going to be using. It's a little small. I don't have the tray that's really used for roasting, so I just use this Pyrex glass Pyrex that I have, which I hope will work. Again, it's my first time, so hopefully it will work and it will fit. It's really, I'm gonna try to squeeze it in here, and I had to do wrap it with aluminum foil because I had experienced before that it burned my tray. So I've been doing this for whenever I bake. So let's go ahead and transfer this 12 pounds turkey. And it's still kind of wet. It is heavy, but it fits. It fits nicely. And hopefully the juices won't spill over my baking container, my baking tray. So it looks nice in there. I also poured some of the seasonings inside, which is the celery salt, pink salt, Himalayan salt, and ground black pepper. I just want to make sure that it's resting good right there. And I still have that red button there that will indicate that it's cooked. And the oven's already set to 325. You heard the alarm sounded earlier. Like the oven's already at 325, and I'm just gonna keep it at 325 until it's done. So the internet says bake it between 2.5 to 3 hours for a 12-pound turkey. So I had set up the temperature for our oven for 3 hours, and we only have 44 minutes left on the timer, and that's 325 degrees. So it's been baking for 2 hours and 14 minutes now. So let's take a look and see if it's done. So one of the things I read online is that I have to uncover it. Actually, they said uncover it after an hour, but I'm just uncovering it now after 2 hours and 14 minutes. So they said you have to uncover it so that it will brown. But it looks like it's already brown. So, and I'm not sure if it's already done, but it looks like it's already brown. Let's see. And this red tab didn't pull yet. So my guess is that it's not yet totally done. It looks good though. And I have this thing, so it will check the temperature. So I'm gonna need it to go up to 185 or 190 for poultry. So let's try to do this. Even though we already have this red tab, right? But I'm still gonna try to do this. And again, it's my first time, so I hope I'm doing it the right thing. It might not be rocket science, right? It's not rocket science, so I should be able to do this on my own. The door's been open for a while, so my oven's giving me that alarm. So let's see. It looks like it's only at 130, so that tells me that this will still need to be baking for a while. So let's try this side. And there's no meat there on that side. It's thin. So let's see what it says. Looks like it's 140, and we're trying to get up to 190. Oh, I hope I'm not poking a lot of holes in this. So 140. And again, since this is not yet rising up, it didn't rise up yet, so I guess I need to keep it more. A few minutes more, we'll see. So I also read online that I have to brace it. Online said around every 30 minutes, from time to time, every 30 minutes, so it doesn't get too dry. So this bracing liquid that I'm using is actually I boiled the neck that was inserted inside the turkey earlier that I showed you. It was inside the turkey. It's the neck, so I boiled it along with some leftover seasoning from when I did the celery salt and Himalaya salt and black ground pepper. So they said that it helps keep it moist. So I could, voila, the red tab, it popped finally. And when I use the temperatures, it's at 190. So it looks like it's a success. I'm so proud of myself. It looks like it's juicy. Looks like it's not dry. Hopefully not dry inside as well. But it's so beautiful. I'm so proud of myself. This is the first time that I baked turkey for Thanksgiving. So we'll be ready soon. I'm going to be doing the stuffing muffin next, and baking some cookies, and doing the cranberry sauce. And I would like to have some beets as well. A traditional Thanksgiving. So
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Enjoy. Have a blessed one.